So this video just pulls the last two things together. Firstly, the click event. So I have a cookie clicked event here, and I've got a turtle called cookie, and when I do the on click, I call that cookie clicked event. At the moment it just does a print. We'll see how that works. Secondly, I've registered a cookie.gif, and then I am setting that as being the shape. What that looks like is this, and when I click the cookie, you can see it says, does the print statement, you clicked the cookie, etc., etc. Doesn't click, does click. Now the extension that we're going to go from there is to have two things on the screen. So you can see I've registered two separate images. Look in the folder, I've got cookie.gif and I've got hand.gif, and then each one of those is set up exactly the same. There's no different in these three lines here, and this is, you can see, it's exactly the same, but I'm calling it hand instead of cookie. And I do move the hand because it puts them both right in the middle of the screen by default. So I say the pen up so it doesn't draw a line, and then I change its position, and that should look like this. So when I click that, I click the cookie. When I click the hand, which is something we want to do, I click the hand. So probably this will be the one where you buy an extra hand that does more cookie clicking for you, and this one is just clicking the cookie, which we do in the game anyway. So although this looks relatively long and complicated, you can hopefully now see how it's built up from just nice simple little parts where we're just making turtles, adding events and changing the image that's displayed on them.